Your customers are on WhatsApp, but most estate agents either are not using it at all or are relying on the free app, with chats stuck on individual phones, invisible to colleagues and management, and never captured in the CRM. That means WhatsApp is not really working as a cohesive business channel. Just like you publish your landline phone number on your website to encourage inbound calls, you can now make it easy for applicants, vendors, landlords, and tenants to start a WhatsApp conversation with your branch too. And when a new inquiry comes in, whether from your website, a portal lead, a QR code, a web form, or even an unanswered landline call, AI assistants can engage instantly on WhatsApp, gather the right information, answer common questions, and pass qualified inquiries to your team in the same chat thread. So this is not just about generating new leads through WhatsApp. It is also about taking inquiries that would otherwise sit in static channels like forms, portal emails, or missed calls, and moving them into WhatsApp, where customers are far more likely to engage. So inquiries can be handled 24/7, even outside office hours. Your team spend less time on repetitive tasks, more time on higher value conversations, and every message can be captured in the activity field against the contact in your CRM. And when portal leads come in from Rightmove or Zoopla, responding in a way that feels more natural and convenient for the customer can help you stand out early, stay front of mind, and uncover valuation opportunities that might otherwise be missed. So this is not just about responding faster. It is about making your branch easier to contact, easier to deal with, and giving your team full visibility of every WhatsApp conversation. Want to learn more or book in a demo with us? Simply scan the QR code here or from our website, select Book Demo.